fucking save, man. So we got a bit of a ride down there. We are cooking. I can't imagine this is all gonna make it into one video. If this is video number 2, welcome back, boys. We're headed to the roller location now. We got Dave with the ZX-10 and his boy with a newer ZX-10. I don't know exactly what year. It's got the SC project on, full SC project. This sounds fucking insane. I think there will be some buffoonery this ride though. I just have a funny suspicion. Yes, sir. Yeah! Yes, sir! He gave him knuckles. Oh yeah, bro. Yo, another biker buddy. I don't know what it is. Looks like a CBR 600. It's got the undertail. I think that's exactly what it is, actually. Oh my god, sound like gunshots. Oh, you had to touch the butt. It's actually a bus, but close enough. Oh my god, bro. Holy shit! Holy shit, bro. What a fucking save, man. Oh my god, bro. Yeah! Oh my god, bro! Yo, what a fucking save, bro! Holy shit! Oh my god, bro! Oh my god, man, I saw him pulling out. I thought it was over.
That's crazy, bro.
Holy shit, bro. I'm happy you're alive, bro. not talking much, boys. I'm trying to focus on what the is going on. Alright, we're headed to a different gas station to meet up with the rest of the gang. We kind of got split up when the cop showed up. I don't know. I did not see the cop that was pointed out, but, you know, I'm also partially blind, so. Not actually, but, hey man, there's a lot to look at on the road, alright? It's the first time I've ridden with this group, so. Some fast bikes though. I definitely feel like the baby of the group, without a doubt. And there's an R7, so I can't imagine how that guy feels. I hope we got some good rollers though. I tried. I mean, you know, obviously everybody wants to be in the spotlight, so everybody wants to have their pictures taken. So I try and be respectful, especially since you know, it's not my group of friends. I was just invited out, so bunch of absolute goonery going on. Alright boys, we're headed out. There's like a dip in the road here. It's uneven. Very sketch indeed. Damn. Oh, look, boys, I'm about to hit 30K. The big dirty. Alright, boys, that's gonna be it for this one. I appreciate you guys for hanging out. We're just gonna take it easy on the ride home, especially with Ethan's little accident today. That was pretty sketchy, especially on the day of Christian's memorial, man. I mean, that's wild. But I appreciate y'all for hanging out. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You know I appreciate it. I love each and every one of you. I hope you have a blessed rest of your day, and I'll see you boys in the next one. Peace, peace!